It's Vlogmas Day 6.
It's time. Happy holiday with some Reshae. Time to celebrate with love, family, and gifts. Ooh. Happy holiday with some Reshae. Natural beauty, yeah, some Reshae.
All right, y'all, it is currently 5:10 p.m. I have a holiday party that I'm going to, and it starts at 7. I'm trying to get there by like 6:45-ish, you know what I'm saying? So I need to leave here by 6:30, which means I gotta do hair, makeup, and outfit in an hour, basically. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna just do my makeup and we'll do a little voiceover. Woo, they're asking me to do too much. In true Slim Reshae fashion, I am running behind, so I am speeding through this makeup. So I'm putting on my brow gel and my little tape first because I'm gonna try to do a little snowflake eye situation. So I'm putting my concealer on my lids, trying to prime my lids, and while that brow glue is drying, and then I'm taking some of my brown shades to create like a smoky eye base with my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette. And then I'm just sweeping those deeper shades into the crease and kind of winging out the eyeshadow. Because I was in a rush, I decided to put a little bit of translucent powder over my brows. I find that this hack helps when you want to go ahead and do your brows after applying your brow gel. Typically, if you try to do your brows right on top of the brow glue, it's not going to stick or be pigmented. So I went ahead and put this translucent powder on top of my brows so they can kind of mattify them. So then when I applied my brow products, it applied nice and pigmented and very smooth. I love doing this. I feel like my brows look snatched. And then I took some of my foundation shade of the evening and I put that to carve out the top of my brows. I actually used the same shade to carve out underneath my brows since I already started doing some of my eyeshadow. And then I decided to go in with this No Budge cream eyeshadow to start my snowflakes. Now, I made a grave mistake because I don't have any liquid white liner, which is what I needed for this look to make it a little bit more precise. I was trying to do this with like a lipstick pointed brush. So bear with me as I try to draw these lines and just make it look like a snowflake as much as possible. I do have hooded eyes, so a bit of the design is like in the crease of my eyes, so you have to be conscious of that if you're trying to do like a design. So make sure those intricate details are above your crease or on the part of your eye that's not hooded. So I decided to go ahead and do like a little wing with this No Budge eyeshadow, and it wound up turning out, I feel like it kind of looked like little snowman arms after the snowman melts. So this is what it's looking like, and then I'm gonna talk you guys through what I did to try to make this thing look like a piece of something. It is 5:30. Do I think I made a great mistake trying to do snowflakes? Yes. Do I got time to turn back? No. Are we gonna make this shake? Yes. Lord, be with me. Lord, be with me. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Lord, be with me. I really need a white liner. That's what failed me, using that cream eyeshadow. All right, I think I'm about to try and save this look with glitter. So right here, I'm just using a clear lash glue and I'm brushing this on top of the white eyeshadow, and I'm using some white / kind of clear glitter that I got from Michael's. Disclaimer, this is craft glitter, use at your own risk, but that's what I did to try and make this little eyeshadow look come together. I think this is gonna work. The glitter is distracting enough that people won't pay attention to how bad the snowflake is. At this point, I have fully committed to this look. I know it looks crazy now, but you know, hopefully it's gonna fully come together after we do the rest of the face. It's 5:54. The base shouldn't take long to do. This is the Secure the Sweat primer, a little bit of my e.l.f. Power Grip primer. What would be fire is like a little black wing up under this. Not too much, just something subtle. Okay, so when I be rushing like this, I just go ahead and put like everything on. So this is my foundation, my bronzer, concealer, and we'll also throw one cream blush, go into pink, and then we'll start blending everything out. This is my favorite way to like apply my makeup when I'm in a rush. So I just feel like it's so much easier. And then go ahead and blend that blush out right here. Blend that foundation in. Blend my chin. I also feel like everything just melts together so well when I apply my makeup like that. So now all we really need to do is blend out the concealer. So like that looks good. I'm gonna do just a touch on the bridge of the nose. And I'm gonna do just a little bit of my lighter concealer right in here. And then from here, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with powder. So I have the Laura Mercier, this is the Ultra Blur setting powder. We're gonna go ahead and bronze. For blush, of course, this Oliva Cosmetics palette, I'm gonna take like some of the pink shades, dust off, and set the rest of my face. The complexion literally is 6:04 right now. I started this at like 6:54, so that was literally a 10-minute beat for complexion. And like I said, I love placing all my products on and then blending them out, because when I'm in a rush, because it just goes so much faster. So I did my Morphe Luminous setting spray. I am gonna do some highlighter because I'm wearing like silver and stuff like that from Fenty Beauty, and we're just gonna use this for highlighter, and probably also gonna use more silvery. I do have these Diamond Balm, the little trio. Go in and pick some of that up. I have this Laura Geller Gilded palette. I'm just gonna take the pink one to add like that stark highlight. It's called Starstruck. And so then I'm gonna go back in with the Diamond Balm on top of that. I am gonna take a little bit of the brown shade in the Makeup by Mario and go right up under the lower lash line. And I like to do this because I feel like the eyes don't look complete when you have so much going on up top and you don't have nothing on the bottom. So I'm gonna go in with, this is my Surreal mascara from Maybelline. This is Makeup by Mario in the shade Jeff. And I think I'm gonna do the concealer vibe where you do just a touch of concealer on the lips, try to get the ombre effect going, and then you do like a lip gloss. I do have this Nimia lip gloss in Don't Tell Anyone, and it's supposed to be shiny. Yeah, because I am rushing right now for the hair, I'm just gonna re-stretch out what I got going on, and then see what's that looking like. Literally rushing against the clock right now. It's 6:11. Day 6 twist out with palm mousse, no gel. Y'all, this kind of like, you know how my makeup wasn't really doing it, but I stood the course. This is a prime example of how I was telling y'all I was leaning into like everything not having to be perfect. Normally I would be like trying to find a wig or something to figure out what I'm gonna do, but right now we just going with it. Right now we are just going with the flow, and what I have is what I have, okay? And that's enough. So we gonna finish stretching this hair, do these baby hairs, and throw that dress on, okay? Okay, now the gag with this part is I'm gonna go in. First off, we're gonna pick this out, make it a little bit big. It's 6:15. What wanna try and see if I could do like the curly bath fro again, because I haven't like genuinely like styled my hair in an afro like on purpose, and I wonder like how fire it would be. So we got some volume, and then we're gonna do some of this crazy sexy curl to just make it look a little bit more polished. So we just gonna do that on top. I know. This is my new remedy to everything. Just put a little foam mousse on top. Like it's one in wavy wig. Put a little foam mousse on there. It'll look fine. I'm sorry if my phone is dirty. Tell me you rushing without telling me you rushing. Okay, y'all. This is my dress. It's see-through. You see that? See-through. So a big thing, and again, I'm so sorry about the quality of my phone right now. This is the front camera. But the thing about making it look like you aren't wearing nothing under there, but you are, is the Amazon leggings hack. So let me see if I can show y'all. So I have the brown skin girl leggings on top of these are the thermal leggings that got a little fur on the inside because it's a little nippy. So like, as you can see, it just looks like legs. I mean, it looks a little obvious that it's not my legs right now, but under the dress it's gonna look like legs. So I just kind of roll that down and try to make it as smooth as possible into your waistline so it doesn't look bulky. Again, this dress dips down in the back, so that's why I need to make sure it's not too high. But if you don't have a low back dress, see how the leggings come right there? But it also looks like it's just bare skin up underneath, and you don't see too much of a, I mean, right now you can see that right here is where the leggings stop. So now all you got to worry about is your chest, and what I'm gonna do is just tape my boobs. So I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so this is the tape job that I did, and so put my dress on. Now, if you feel like, you know, that right there is gonna show, then you could just cut that off. So basically, like, cut your tape to your neckline. Like, if you look up close, you can see like that terracotta color, but you can't really tell that it's any different than my stomach and my legs. Oh, jewelry. I got this off of Amazon. It is very much lightweight, but if you want this like iced out look, put on the matching watch. All right, so I'm doing the big reveal after the fact. It is now like 12:30 a.m. after the holiday party, but this is how my makeup turned out. It was definitely an eye catcher. Like I said, I wasn't in a room full of makeup artists, so I don't think it was heavily critiqued. It was just like, okay, wow, a little pop. And most people had got the gist that it was supposed to be like snowflakes. So yeah, I did get compliments on my hair, even though it shrunk up a little bit since I stretched it, but I did get compliments on my hair. I need to wash my hair ASAP. But this is the finished look. This is jewelry. I went with studs instead of the teardrop earrings. And then the dress, boom, that's the dress. I got my AKA pin on. I don't have my camera set up to show y'all like a little full up and down, but this is the look. And I hope y'all enjoyed my hair, makeup, and outfit while I rushed to get ready for my holiday soiree. So I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye.
All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.